Okay, the report considers the drivers for growth for Africa real estate, and they are based on the mega trends that we are seeing happening globally. So what we have identified is that based on these mega trends, there are certain areas that will drive further development, like your urbanisation in Africa happening, your young population, natural resources still remaining a key source for growth in many of these territories, infrastructure creating opportunities for investment, and further advancement in the financial services regime, which will facilitate investment with a broader range of investors. We've seen a general trend from governments to support real estate investment. And then also on the financing side, it is easier where you've got, like in sub-Saharan Africa, already our top 4 big banks playing in those markets and providing the financial infrastructure. A lot of positives in the sense that you've got the rising middle class in Africa, where you're going to see quite a dramatic increase. Probably from last year, there were about 15 million middle-class households, and that's increasing to about 30 million just over the next probably 10 to 20 years. So that's the GDP growth is good in those countries compared to the rest of the world. Then you're also seeing increased support from government again for real estate development. But importantly, if you look at just the growth of the pension funds, where Nigeria is expected to triple its assets in the next 3 years, and when that gets allocated into infrastructure and real estate, it's very positive. Well, I think Africa is unique, and there's a lot of opportunities due to previous underdevelopment. We are seeing investor-friendly policies happening. The continent's becoming less dependent on commodities, and it's 54 different countries with different risks, but also a lot of different opportunities. In Africa, you can combine the effective capital markets in South Africa with high retail growth in Nigeria.